Tell me why I woke up this morning and all I wanted to eat was mushroom and baked beans. Like, where from this expensive taste buds? Instead of me eating kinky and pepper and fish, look at me. I went all the way to Melcom to go and look for mushroom. So I looked through the fridge and I couldn't find it. So I asked this fine gentleman, please sir, where can I find mushroom? And then he said, madam, look back. So I turned back and I saw that there were mushrooms. I said, oh, that's good. Then I opened my eyes well and I saw 27.99, like 30 Ghana cedis for a pack of mushroom. Hey, my market people, where you dey? So I was looking through. I said, these mushrooms are locally grown. They are not even natural occurring mushrooms. So I looked up and I saw this fine mushroom. I said, oh, let me look at this. This looks really good. Then I asked for the price. In fact, it was imported. So I asked for the price. And this brother man in green is telling me that it is 130 Ghana cedis. I said, oh yeah, let me take my locally grown mushrooms. And then my baked beans. Can you see these baked beans? Yeah, man. That's what we are going to eat. So I got my mushrooms and all the ingredients I need. In fact, you just need some few ingredients. You need tomatoes and onions and then some spices. So then I chop up my onions and then I chop up my tomatoes, remove the seeds. I don't like eating seeds. And I chop it into smaller bits so that it will be okay for me to chew. Then I put in my oil. When it starts to fry up, I put in the onion. I stir and stir and stir. Let's stir. Now I put in my mushrooms. In fact, I wanted to use half of it and I realized that that 28 cedis mushroom is just small. I put everything inside. I season it with salt, some garlic and pepper. Love hot pepper. Then I added black pepper. Now that we are done, we are going to the baked beans, right? All you need is baked beans. I used Obapa baked beans and it tastes so good. Guys, you can try it at home. You can go and buy some and try it. All you have to do is put it in the same pan that you cooked your mushrooms. Put it all in. I added some leftover onions and tomatoes. Then you add your season. As I said earlier, I love pepper, so I added extra pepper to this and garlic, the same season I used for the mushrooms, and it tasted delicious. You cannot say you're a Ghanaian and you don't like eggs. Like, which part of Ghana are you coming from? Every part we like eggs. So yes, we will confidently enjoy our eggs. Me minye broni na machini eggs raw. Yes, I say eggs in the now add some bread toast, Oh my goodness. Okay, now let's plate our food. Guys, can you see the plate? Can you if I look at this aesthetically pleasing plate? You can't tell me otherwise. You can't tell me that this food did not taste good. Oh my goodness. Please try it at home. All you need is some nice juice. If I wanted to buy juice for Melcom and I saw about 250 ml going for 70 Ghana cedis and I screamed and the lady said the fruit is imported. So I beg, do yours at home. Guys, do this food and you will not regret it. You know that this food could cost you no less than 150 cedis at that restaurant. So I beg, hurry up and go and get your mushroom and do it at home. If you enjoyed this video, hit on the notification bell, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. Come back for more. Bye!